Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to use inline frame. Inline frame are the new feature, new tag, new element in HTML5 because frame and frame set has been deprecated. We do not use frame and frame set in HTML5. So IFrame is nothing but these are the inline frame that can be inserted anywhere in any simple HTML page. So how can we create an inline frame in our document? So in my previous example I have added some pages like home.html header. I don't need header HTML, don't need any kind of other things. So how can we do that? I will use my all these files in this example also. This is my header, and I'm going to provide a attractive title, IFrame demo, and the body section, and within the body I am going to create the layout, and we have also uploaded the videos how can we create the layouts. So HTML5 have provided some sections and I am going to use these sections, and these are the main section. So let us create the layout, style and header, header. There is the navigation bar, there is a main section. In my header section I am going to provide the height of 150 pixels and the background color is red. Let us save my file to my main frame.html and let us see the output of this file. This is displaying like this one. So in my navigation I am going to provide the height of 50 pixels and background color will be green. Reload. Fine. And the main section I am going to provide the minimum height because content may be gross, so I am going to provide 300 pixels height and background color to pink. Let us say pink. Okay, this is not sufficient. I am increasing the height 450. Looks good. Now what I want to do, these gaps can be removed by using star, and I am going to provide padding to 0 and margin to 0. This will remove these kind of spaces. Fine. Now let us start with creating the links. So navigation links I have created in this header file, this file, and what I want to do, let's create my own. I'm going to create an anchor tag, href, and home, copy, paste. So in my first link home page, second link product page, third link is service page, and fourth link is about us page, and the fifth link is contact us page. And home page I have created with the name home.html, product page as product.html, and service as service.html, and about us as about.html, contact us as contact.html. Fine. Let us see what will happen now. It is displaying. So let us start decorating the text anchor tag. I am going to change the color to white. Look at this. I am going to removing the underline, text decoration to none. Look at this. Now I want to provide the width 120 pixels. Oh, we can't. Why? Because by default this is display inline and I have to convert it to display inline block. Display inline block. Right. And the line height to how much we have navigation height? 50 pixels. 50 pixels line height. Very good. And the text align to center, text line center. Now one more thing, font family to Vardhana, so that it looks good looking text. Wow. Now we have created our navigation links. Now what I want to do, whenever I click on this one, it will display here. Click on this one, the page will be displayed here. So how can we do that? In my main section, I am going to create IFrame. IFrame is just like a frame where I have a source attribute src, and what I want, home.html file must be displayed. Look at this, home page demo, home.html is here, home page demo is writing here. But this is a border, this border, I don't want this kind of border. So how can we remove these borders? Frame border is equals to 0, and look at this. Now you can't imagine how much this width of this page and how much width is of this frame. So one more thing that I want to do on my, when I click on product page, no, I don't want this one. I want product page must be displayed in this area. How can we do that? I provide the name to my iframe as main. Let us say main. You can provide any kind of name, and what I want to provide, target will be main. That means when I click on this link, the target page, this reference page will be targeted to main named iframe. So I have to provide all the links, the target property, paste and paste, and I'm going to save it. Look at this, it is the product page, service page, about us page, and contact us page. Oh, that means height and width we have to define. So how can we define the width? I am going to provide the width to 100%, and look at this, what will happen. And the height, height will be automatically stretched out. Look at this. So we can in this way we can provide the height. We can provide the minimum height if I want to provide iframe, and provide the minimum width up to 450 pixels. Look at this we can do. So this is the way how can we create. And one more thing, I want to provide some attractive header, just like I have created in my previous thing, h1 header, and welcome to my website. And look at this. Okay, this is not looking good. So what I have to do, I am going to stylish my h1. The color will be white, font family will be Vardhana, but still not looking so much good. Text align will be center. I want to provide this text to middle of the header. So line height will be, how much my height? 150 pixel. And look at this, and look how can we create our web page. One more thing, sometimes what we see, the page is not displayed as the 100% width, so we can provide one more thing. In my body area, I can provide padding. How can we use padding? Look at this, I am going to provide 100 pixel padding. If I provide this one, look at this, but I don't want padding of top and bottom to be 100 pixels. So what we have to do, basically when we assign one value to our padding, it will automatically provide 100 pixels to all the areas. So what I want to do, I want to provide only left and right 100 pixel and top and bottom to 0. The top and bottom values are given first of all, and then left and right to this one. And look at this, this is what we basically wanted. So this is how can we create a simple web page with the help of using iframes. Thank you friends. I hope you will enjoy this video and learn a lot from them.